Hello there. So today, we're going urbexing with my friend, who I'll work to try and keep as anonymous as possible. We're going urbexing to an ammo plant. I chose urbexing today, mainly because it's really easy and it's not too hard to edit down. Unlike doing a short film or a skit, doing a skit alone is very difficult. I found out. There's a little marching band show game that I'm missing out on for this, but who cares? I'll go to it after. So, this is the ammo plant. To our right is a small water purification building that we revisit on later on. To the left is a set of bunkers, which I don't think we get to until like the very end of the video. But who cares? You'll see me and my friend wearing a mask throughout all of this. That's not because I want to remain anonymous. That's just so that cameras saw us. They couldn't recognize our faces, and so that my friend remains anonymous. So it's good.
Allegedly, it's a trill spot, so. I think worst comes to worst, we just find people graffitiing. And like, to be honest, we're no worse than they are. Well, yeah, but I don't think the people on the roof are trying to hide. Cool as shit, though. Yeah, that'd be ideal. I'm gonna get a shot of this room.
There were a few graffiti artists up on the roof, but it didn't really bother us, so yeah, that's what we're talking about when we say there's other people.
Yeah. I think it'd be funny if they turned this into an Airbnb. I know, I have it set on the darkest exposure. This is loud, by the way. Don't step on it.
This, I'm assuming, is the mess hall of the ammo plant. We found a kitchen to the right of it, but it's pretty neat. To be cringe is to be free. Axe.
My bad.
For how much art is in this place, you'd assume it'd be like in the middle of somewhere, at least near something. Nope. It's in the middle of the void, so... I mean, good for us, no police, but bad for our legs.
There's a little gap under that door. Hopefully this is roof access.
It is.
We're going back to that door later, so for now we continue. These windows are super sick.
She's punishing me.
Looks way better during the day.
It's horrible.
Hey, look, a ladder. I don't remember that ladder being there last time, so I'm assuming it's one of the guys up on the roof. Doesn't mean I'm not going to use it. Yeah, it's bolted. It might have just been like falling on the ground. Okay, there's holes in this roof. That's great to know. We'll boogie out at 5:40. We're not getting back to if we left now. If they don't have a tracker on your location, you should be good. Just realized I'm gonna have to censor saying the school name. Oh, is this like a way easier entrance? Oh, it totally is. People here, so like hopefully we don't get shot and killed.
The roofs up ahead are the bunkers.
Nobody here. We good. Middle of nowhere. Okay, back down.
So now we're walking through the tunnels that connect each of the buildings to see more of this place. These tunnels, I'm assuming, were for workers, maybe to protect water-sensitive items, gunpowder, maybe. But now they're used for shitty graffiti. I've noticed that graffiti kind of ranks in order of where it's placed. Higher up, like physically higher up on the outside of the buildings, it tends to be a lot better. And on the insides, it's absolute dog shit. Especially in this tunnel. This tunnel is like F tier graffiti. It's just a bunch of penises and random squiggles.
Yeah.
Also, these tunnels go on for like a mile and a half, so it's a lot of walking from here.
Long ass tunnel. I think somebody came out here with chalk. No? Just chalky-ass markers.
Like I said, absolute nowhere. In between fuck all and jack shit.
Nowhere. Look at the vegetation. I think we could argue pretty damn well that we thought this place was abandoned and that's why we came in. Fiberglass!
I was referencing if the police were to catch us, the reason why we were there. God, zombies looking now.
Pink hair. I've already given away our position. Yeah. They have x-ray, those fuckers. The cobwebs are blue. Fun. I love walking through brush.
I have protection.
That's what they all say. And then they end up with 3 kids. I can see the building up there. This is fun. Yeah, I think it's just a bunch of vents. Yeah. Yeah, it does very little. It's a bunch of vents though. I do have one in the car, but I was expecting there to be a little bit more light in this place. I want that sign. I don't know what it says. If it's like, don't enter, this is government property, I want it more. Oh, it's under the fence. Can you help me out? Oh, there's nothing.
Barbed wire, barbed wire.
Barbed wire? Don't worry, I'm not strong enough to lift it up all the way. Okay, past year I haven't seen it, so I don't know what it's like. There's a ladder, so I guess we're going on the roof. There's the ammo plant. Cut, you do got tetanus. Here's a ladder. These are the last 2 buildings for today. Inside is probably boring, so I'm going up first. There's a warning sign over there. I don't know what it says.
I can't read it. It doesn't apply to me, motherfucker.
The road that way, house that way. The ammo plant. Well, we're about to wrap this up, but cool stuff. If you know where this is, you can come here and it's likely not to change. Bye bye, ammo plant. So these are the bunkers. That's at least from what I know. I don't know what would happen here. There's the latrine. I don't care to go in there. You gotta scrape the sides to get all the nutrients of the latrine. You need a Coke. I can get you a Coke. Yeah, just check out that little baggie on the ground.
Let's go.
Coke, pipe. Oh, you just haven't added the water yet. Yeah, and then you should drink it through your nose. It sounds weird, but it's way better. Come on in. Because it's cool. This place is actually cool. It's a water treatment area, I believe. Or it's their boilers for the site. And if you look down there, there's still water, which is like the big ticket item for urbexing. If you go swim in there, you'll get a brain-eating amoeba. That wasn't a joke. Fucking sick as shit, though. Yay, I did it, but now I'm stuck in a hole. Daily video, back on it. Yippee, let's go.
Okay.